Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss scripting in Infor Coleman Applied Machine Learning and how you can use your own Python skills to establish custom results. Infor Coleman Machine Learning offers several algorithms natively, and hopefully they have been very useful to you. But what happens when you would like to do something unique with your data that might not be addressed by the current toolset? Scripting will let the user take control of their data and do anything they would like with it. Using Python, Coleman can implement your own code, greatly increasing the ways you can transform your data. When building a Coleman quest, you can find the scripting block in the Prepared Data section of the Activities catalog. It behaves like any of the other drag and drop modules in Coleman and can be used anywhere in the flow of your quest. Let's take a closer look at this block and see what we can do with it. Here I have a Coleman quest where a scripting block has been implemented. You can see my scripting block here in the middle. The purpose of this particular quest is to run this scripting block, which in this case is attempting to detect outliers on some time series data that I'm working with. My quest name and my name for the script block happen to be the same, but you can name your script blocks anything that makes sense for your own quest. The scripting block has two input ports. In the details of the scripting block, we can give those input ports names. These are the variable names that the code will use to access your inputs. You can see here that I just went with the default value 1 and value 2 names, since I modify the data immediately before giving the inputs more appropriate names. You will also need to name an output variable, and that variable will be passed through the output port at the end of the script. At the bottom of the panel, you will find the place for your code, and you can expand it to a larger editor for a better read. It is important to know that Coleman is using PySpark behind the scenes. As a coder, personally, I'm more comfortable with pandas data frames, so after I import the pandas package, I convert the inputs into pandas data frames and get to work. You can find the complete list of Python packages in the Infor Coleman ML documentation found in the video notes. We won't get into the nitty-gritty of my particular script here, but you can see that after 150 or so lines of code, I've got a variable named output that will get passed out of the scripting block. Errors and error handling are a big deal with coding. When a script block fails, you will see a red X at the end of the scripting block. To investigate the error, we can navigate over to the Quest Properties area to find some information about the particular error. We can see here that the training of the quest has failed, and there is an error log that I can dig into. In this Coleman quest, the output of my script is ingested back into the data lake for future use. There, the new data could be accessed by workflows, other quests, or analytics using Burst. If you would prefer a file, generating a CSV is easy. At the output port, save off the dataset. Navigate to the datasets area and download the file to your local machine for whatever post-processing needs you see fit. As you can see, the scripting block is straightforward to use and opens up a world of new possibilities beyond the standardized toolkit. To learn more about Coleman Applied Machine Learning, check out the Coleman AI documentation, the community forum, or any of the other resources referenced in the video notes. Thank you for watching.